Okay, this is a set of instructions about how to take the quizzes for this course. So you can access the quizzes in multiple ways. You can log onto the dashboard account and go to course content or go to quizzes to take them, or you can also follow the direct links from the Canvas course. Either way will work. I'm going to go to course content. I'm going to go to table of contents. And I've already taken each of these quizzes. I haven't taken all of my attempts, but it's showing me that I have taken them by this check mark. So I'm going to go to quiz 1B.2 level 2 because I haven't done anything with this yet. All right. So it's going to tell me the summary of the quiz, when it ends, when the due date is, how many time I have, all of them are limited, how many attempts I have, and how many I've done. It says I've got 1 attempt in progress because I already opened this. That's fine. But I've got 3 attempts left and I've completed none of them. I'm going to continue the quiz. So this has a lot of questions. I'm going to go through and just mark them all A. Now you can save each answer individually, which is what the program recommends, but I'm just going to save them all at the end. Save myself some clicking. There, if I can click it correctly, there we go. Almost finished. Alright, I'm now going to click Save All Responses and make sure that all of them are blue over here. That shows that I have a response for them. That's good. I'm going to go to Submit Quiz. It's going to ask me if I want to change anything, which I don't. So I'm going to click Submit Quiz again. It's going to ask me one more time, are you sure you want to do this before you change stuff? That's fine. I'm submitting it. And now that I've done that, I can look and see what my answers were. I can view feedback, the 2 census officers' advice, but give no reason to support that advice. So the feedback helps me understand what the answer should be. It doesn't give it to me directly, but it does help me understand what it should be. I'm going to go down here to the bottom, and this tells me how many of them I got right. So by answering all A, I got 17 out of 27. More than half of them I got right. It tells me what my attempt score for this particular time was down here, 62.96%, and what my highest attempt was. I've only done one, so my highest attempt is this current one. Now, if I want to take this quiz again, because I probably don't want that grade, I'm going to go back to What Logic Studies. I'm going to go back to the same quiz, 1B.2 Level 2. I'm going to click on it again, and it's going to tell me I've completed one. It allows 3. I'm going to start a new quiz. I'm going to choose all B, or second response. Again, I'm going to save all my responses. They're all good. Submit the quiz. Submit it. Yes. Same deal. It's going to give me feedback. I can see how many points I got this time. 10 out of 27. Worse, it's only going to show me my highest attempt, which is the last one I took. And now if I want to see my grades, there's 2 places I can look. First, I can go to grades here. And what this is going to do is show me my highest grade only. So if I go to quiz, these are all the level 1s. I took a level 2, so I'm not worried about that. I'm going down to level 2. For level 2, I got 6.3 out of 10. That was my highest score, 62.96%. So notice that what this does is records your percentage score and takes it out of 10. I'm not going to do that for the Canvas course. The longer quizzes are going to be worth more points. The shorter quizzes are going to be worth less points. So I'll go back and figure that out individually. This just gives you the percentage. And lastly, go back, we got 40 seconds. The other way you can look to see about the quizzes is to go to quizzes. I'm going to go to them. And this gives me information about how many attempts I've done, right? So this lets me know that on that quiz 1B.2 level 2, which is going to be down farther in level 2 quizzes, 1B.2, it says I've used 2 of 3, which is correct. And then it shows I've used 0 of 3 on all these others, 1 of 3, whatever, and it'll show you when I maxed out. So this gives you all the information you could want about the quizzes. Unfortunately, it doesn't tell you what your individual scores are after you've gone out of that quiz. It only shows your highest attempt on your grades.